Hi, this is Kathy with ucompose, and in today's video we're going to continue on in the song that we have got started. In fact, we have a very good start. Song 3 in the key of G major. And if you don't know how to set up your page, go back to video 32. It'll explain, I'll show you how to get the F sharp in the key signature, or in the, yes, and then the time signatures as well is 3/4 time. So we're going down to measure 7 and starting there, and I have something fun, I think, to add to our little tune that I have in my head. So I'm moving on to quarter notes, and let's get the C4, which is middle C. See if we can roll it toward the middle. And I would like to put in actually a treble C, quarter note, and actually I had it written differently. I'm going to change that, and I'll tell you why. You'll understand here in a minute, and then we'll be sure and review a little bit. Let's put a dot on that. So that gets 3 full beats. So in the bass, I thought it would be fun. We're just going back to, actually this will be a 5/7 when it's all done, and you can watch and see how I do it. I'm going to go to the 8th notes. I'm going to go down to the low D, which is here, and moving in the arpeggiated form. That should give us 3 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 8th notes. So, and then I'm going to continue on being a little more creative. Chord form, I'm going to go back to the chord of D, F sharp, and A, and you can see that how that's going to fit right in there for the hand positioning for the left hand for the pianist. And then for the right hand, now this measure I'm thinking of just piano, kind of like a little piano solo thrown in here, because there will be no words in there. That's my thought for right now. Go back to single notes, and we're going to do a little scale pattern. Whoops, let's turn the pen back on. Here we go. So this would be a quarter note, I believe. Oh, we could continue on. Let's just see if we can do a full running up. I'm still making this up as I go, which is really kind of fun to do. And let's see if we can get a B in here as well. Okay, there's 3 full beats then in the right hand as well. Okay, let's see what we've got so far. Just a quick review. G, this is your 1 chord. Over here, this would spell C, E, G. We just put the G on the bottom, inverted chord. There's your 4 chord. That's a C chord. It's 4 in the key of G. And then stepping on up to D, F sharp and A, that would be your 5 chord, and in G position. And we just stayed with the 5 chord here. And then there's your low D, and if D, F, and A, that's your low D, F sharp, and A. That still is your 5 chord. In fact, we're still in a 5 chord here, D, F sharp, and A. And actually, I put a C up there, so you will hear a 5/7 here, I believe. Let's hear what it sounds like. Fun song to put together. Here we go. Yeah, okay, good. That's all we'll do for this video. Thank you for joining me, and be sure and come back.